everyone, this is Sakura Yubi. Today I'm gonna show you how to make delicious salad dressing using yogurt and Shio Koji. It's rich and creamy like Caesar salad dressing, but healthier. Yogurt and Shio Koji are both fermented foods and good for your gut. So let's get started. In a bowl, add yogurt, Shio Koji, olive oil, lemon juice, sugar, and grated or crushed garlic. Give it a stir and we're done with the dressing. I'll go ahead and prepare the salad quickly here. To go with this dressing, I like to sprinkle some seeds, Parmigiano Reggiano, and pink peppercorns over the salad. Isn't this beautiful? Okay, the salad is ready. Let's have a taste. It was so delicious. Rich, creamy, and full of umami from Shio Koji and Parmigiano Reggiano. This dressing made the salad very flavorful. And it's not only tasty, but also helps your gut. So do give this a try, you will love it. And that is it for today. Check out sakurayubi.com for the ingredient amounts. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe. It will mean the world to me. I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye!